Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Are you serious?
Dead serious.
Are you serious?
Dead serious. March 15th. Really? Come on. Seriously.
It's for real this time. For real.
There's a new fish coming. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Really?
Yeah.
Get out. Really?
Must be serious.
She's gonna have a baby. Yeah.
Yes!
Yes?
Yes! Bridget, are you serious?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! Bridget's having a baby!
No, sir.
Yes, we are.
I went, seriously? Seriously?
Yeah.
Sure, baby.
Really?
Yeah, for real.
Awesome.
I need some clothes. For real.
Uh-uh.
I am too.
Let me see you walk.
She's not. What?
For real.
What? Holy. Say again?
We're gonna be having a baby in March.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?